Are you struggling with unhappy and complaining customers? How do you deal with it? Let's talk about that. Let's go. Hey guys, Sam here from keycommerce.com, and today we're talking about unhappy and complaining customers. You pour all your heart and soul into your store and you still can't make all the people happy. That's normal. Everyone goes through it. Trust me. The first thing you need to understand is that you can't please everyone. There's a reason for the saying, the customer is always right. And I say, they're not always right, but you should treat them as if they are, for the most part. But when you have someone that is unhappy, what do you do? Here are the common reasons why someone could be an unhappy customer of your store, and here's how you can fix it. Also keep in mind, guys, with any of these unhappy customers, your goal is to try to turn them into a happy customer. You want to do everything you can to make them happy again so they don't go to another website like Trustpilot or a review site and leave a bad review about your brand. Also, even if they don't leave a bad review, they're still going to be unhappy and they're going to tell people about it. So you want to do everything you can to turn them around into a happy customer, or at least a neutral customer. Let's go through the common problems. Where is my product? The customer hasn't received their product and they thought they would. First, you need to have order tracking. Second, make sure that the customer has clear access to the tracking. Even better, if you can get automated emails sent to the customer as the tracking updates and changes, that's even better. Also, make sure that you have quick access to the tracking yourself so that if a customer does get on live chat, you can quickly pull up that tracking and see where the product is. If the tracking says the order has arrived, then make sure that you confirm the address with the customer. Maybe they've changed address since purchasing and it's been sent to the wrong location. Maybe the product is still on its way. If so, just update the customer with the location and how long it's going to be, potentially until it arrives. Also, get insurance. If the package gets lost, then you want to be covered for that. If it does get lost, then send out a replacement package right away and use express shipping. My product arrived damaged. Maybe your shipping screwed up, they damaged your product, and the customer received a broken product. First, don't argue with the customer or doubt them. I've seen stores do this and it's the dumbest thing ever. I recommend giving a full refund to the customer and getting them to take a photo of that product and send it to you. You want to find out exactly what went wrong and how badly it was damaged. Make sure you have insurance to cover this. It's going to happen eventually. I also recommend sending out a replacement product. Even though you gave them a refund, they still want the product, so get it into their hands. They don't hate you, they don't hate your brand, they don't hate the product, they've just had a bad experience, so let them enjoy it. It's up to you if you do this or not. You know, if it's a $2,000 product, that's gonna get pretty expensive. I received the wrong product. Maybe your warehouse, fulfillment center, dropshipping supplier, maybe they sent the wrong product to the customer. Of course, apologize and send them the right product. Whether you offer a full refund, that's up to you. You could also let them keep that first product that you sent them. Also, get to the bottom of what went wrong. Was it your fulfillment center that stuffed up? You need to find this out and fix it. Mistakes can happen, but too many and it can cost your brand. This product sucks. This is obviously a customer that's not happy with the quality of the product. There's a few things you can do here. You can get them to return the product and provide them a refund, but really make sure you find out why they don't like it. Is it low quality? Does it not work properly? Maybe your website, your product pages really oversold this product and created super high expectations so that when they got it, it didn't meet them at all. Maybe you need product photos that are more accurate. You need to use this as research and improve the buying experience so it doesn't happen again. I don't recommend you keep selling the same product if the product sucks and everyone hates it. Also, make sure you have a very clear returns policy and you follow it. Don't make it absolute hell to return a product that just makes them even angrier. I do have a video that shows you how to create the returns page as well as all the other legal pages you need for your store. I'll leave a link in the description. Okay, so those are the big complaints that you're gonna get for your e-commerce store from your customers. Now, my next question is, how do you improve the store for the long term so that these complaints don't happen? Well, they're always going to happen. You can't please everybody, but use the negative feedback to improve your product and your buying experience. What caused this problem? How can you stop it from happening again? If you're constantly getting this negative feedback and your supplier keeps stuffing up the products, then fix it. Because if you keep going like this, it's going to be so hard to grow your store because you just have all this negativity coming in. All these people that hate the experience, they're going to leave bad reviews. They're not going to tell their friends that it's a good product. you're gonna be fighting upstream. You're gonna be swimming upstream, basically. So yeah, use this feedback as feedback. Learn more about your customers and what they really value. And I teach this through all my videos, guys. Yeah, guys, I keep saying this again and again, but if your product sucks and your buying experience sucks, it's gonna be much harder to grow your store. And the stores that I'm working with that are growing much more quickly, that are bigger and bigger, they still have negative feedback. They still have unhappy customers, but they've really tweaked that process to try and make as many people as happy as possible, because really you're trying to add value to your customers. That's what you're doing by selling products. And if you're not doing that, then you're not doing your job as an e-commerce store. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Please like this video if it was helpful for you guys trying to solve this problem of having unhappy customers, and let me know what you're doing to try and make your customers more happy and what sort of problems do they have, like, and how are you solving that? Or maybe you don't know how, and you can ask us, ask everybody else in the community, and we can help you out. If you haven't seen my other videos, I recommend checking them out. I go through a lot of different topics on how to improve your e-commerce store, especially traffic, Google Ads, Google Shopping campaigns. Check them out. I'll leave some links in the description. Apart from that, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.